Alright, this is our finished results of our chocolate bread pudding. We have ice cream on top, and look how chocolate it is. It is so chocolate. It smells so good. We're not finished with it yet, y'all. We have something else to put on it. We're going to put some chocolate syrup on top of it. The kids will love that, y'all. Look at it. This is magnificent. This is a magnificent chocolate bread pudding. After this presentation, I show you how to do this wonderful bread pudding. It's chocolatey and it is fabulous, y'all. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel and getting these recipes. This chocolate is so good. A chocolate bread pudding. You can't go wrong. The kids will love this. They will love this, y'all. Look at it. The chocolate, the vanilla, the chocolate morsels inside made it extra, extra rich and beautiful tasting. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel. And get this recipe off of soulfoodqueen.net website and go over there and look at more recipes that you might forget and want to try. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call my chocolate bread pudding. Children love chocolate. They're at home. They're not doing anything. They're just really bored. So we're going to bring them some chocolate bread pudding. You know, they're kind of ticky about eating bread pudding. But when they see that this bread pudding is out of chocolate, and when you put this chocolate together with some vanilla ice cream, oh my goodness, they will be so happy. So what we're going to do is show you how to do this chocolate bread pudding. So what you're going to need, really, you're going to need to get your bread together. We're going to put all this over to the side. You're going to need 5 eggs, or maybe 6 large eggs. You're going to need some croissants. I got these croissants at Kroger's. So what I'm going to do is cut them up and put them in this baking dish. Now you can use any other bread you want, but I like croissants because they are so buttery. They taste so good already. Now these are day old, so mostly you use day old bread when you do a bread pudding. So what we're going to do is just cut these up and get them all ready to put that mixture on top of it. That good old egg mixture. It makes it taste good. And we're just taking these together just like this, breaking them up, breaking these croissants up. I know, I'm sure you see croissants over in the deli where they mark them down. Get you some and freeze them, and then you can use them for a bread pudding like I'm doing. So what I'm doing is just breaking them up in pieces, just like this. And I think I did about 8 of them. Ought to be enough to do a big kind of bread pudding. I love bread pudding. I like to make all different kinds of sauces to go on top of it. So we're going to do a little bread pudding chocolate just for the kids, because they're out for quarantine and they don't know what to do. And you bring this to them and they'll be saying, Mama, where you get this from? I always surprise my kids. I always do. And they are grown. My kids are grown. But I still like bringing surprises to them. So we got this all broken up into pieces, just like this. Make sure that they're all in pieces, so when you pour the batter in it, make sure they can soak through these pieces. Okay? What we're going to do is just do it like this, and then we're going to add some chocolate morsels. Just all around like this, y'all. Chocolate morsels go all around like this. Just make sure they all even, so everybody gets some chocolate. And I think that's all be enough. Right there. Just spread this on out like that. Okay, we're going to put this to the side. And we're going to start on our custard. You're going to need some milk, and you're going to need some eggs. Just like I said, you can use 6 large eggs, 4 extra large eggs. So we're going to use 6. Let me get that over again. You can use 6 large eggs, or you can use 5 extra large eggs. So we're going to blend this together just like this. Just like this. I'm going to put it in this bowl. With my water, wash the dishes. Moving on to the side. Okay. And we're going to add the milk. It's going to be about, I say, 2.5 cup of milk. We'll beat this all together. And mix this together, y'all. Now, I go by how it look like this. You see how that look? I think that's perfect. Then we'll add 1.5 cups of sugar. Yes, indeed. That's going to be so delicious. We're going to add vanilla. About a tablespoon of vanilla. Because you want it to be really good. You're going to add 1 cup of butter. Well, that's going to be about a stick of butter. And then we're going to add some cocoa. We're going to add a big old spoonful of cocoa, just like this, y'all. A big old spoonful. And we're going to whisk this together. That's going to make it taste like cocoa, y'all. I'm going to whisk this all together. And I know y'all want to sit up and see me whisk this together. Smells delicious, y'all. Smell delicious. Smells so good. I'm going to whisk this together. Just like this. Make sure it's all whisked together. Change my hand, y'all. Like that. And you tell that the eggs is just right the way it syruped down like that. Now we're going to pour this over this bread. Just like this. Pour this over the bread. Just like this, y'all. Just like that. And we're going to push it down because it has to swell up. So we're going to push it down. And we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. And we'll let you see what it looks like, okay? Be right back. Hope y'all in the camera. Just always at the camera. I'm just a one-horse show, y'all. Okay, we're going to push this down and make sure that it gets enough liquid inside there. Just enough liquid. And we'll be right back. All right, our bread pudding is done. I got it out of the oven and it smells so chocolatey in here. We're going to show you how we're going to serve it. This is how it looks when it comes out the oven. It's been in about 45 minutes. And it smells fabulous. The bread pudding is a plus because it's got a lot of chocolate in it. I'm going to show you how it looks when we get ready to serve it. All right, this is our finished results of our chocolate bread pudding. We have ice cream on top. And look how chocolate it is. It is so chocolate. It smells so good. We're not finished with it yet, y'all. We have something else to put on it. We're going to put some chocolate syrup on top of it. The kids will love that, y'all. Look at it. This is magnificent. This is a magnificent chocolate bread pudding. After this presentation, I show you how to do this wonderful bread pudding. It's chocolatey and it is fabulous, y'all. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel and getting these recipes. This chocolate is so good. A chocolate bread pudding. You can't go wrong. The kids will love this. They will love this, y'all. Look at it. The chocolate, the vanilla, the chocolate morsels inside made it extra rich and beautiful tasting. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel. And get this recipe off of soulfoodqueen.net website and go over there and look at more recipes that you might forget and want to try. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel.